name is Uskan, and today we're checking out some old cars. It's crazy. Bro, how long have you in this bad boy?
Oh, about just under 3 years now.
Wow.
Yeah.
What year is this?
1968, Pontiac Laurentian.
Pontiac Laurentian. Damn.
Looks like Vin Diesel's car.
Looks like Vin Diesel's car, bro. What the frick? It sounds like a Star Wars ship. Yeah. Whoa. Look at this bad boy. Wow. Don't judge the socks. But damn, look at this. Crazy.
Give it a refresh.
This one, eh?
Yeah, the middle one.
Middle one.
Yeah.
What the frick? I feel like Vin Diesel, bro. Bro, this is wild. Yo, man. Frick.
Give it a hard rev.
Crazy. Look at the fuel. Look at the fuel tank. Look at the fuel tank on this bad boy. What the frick? The wheel itself is crazy.
And this car was probably 50 years
Right.
before you was even thought of it.
My dad would have been like 7 years old when this car was 7 years old. My dad.
So the high beam is right down here. It's called a foot one. So you just hit it. So when you're driving in a car and you see a car coming, you just put your high beam off or on. And then if you want to turn the dash lights on and see it, and that's for like the window wipers, and there's nothing else. It's just boom. So, and it only has 2 gears. So there's first gear. So you drive it at like 240 kilometers per hour, and then when you drop it into second, you can drive it at 120 miles.
Wow. Look at him whip that thing.
Yeah, wow.
Holy crap.
55-year-old car.
This car is older than me. That's the main thing I love this car. When you're a normal car, when you put your foot down, it just kind of goes. But like with this guy, like once you put your foot down, it just yells at you. It wants to pick up. So I won't try to boost too much, but it has enough power to take it to the limit. A lot of people that own old school cars, they always drive slow and like just low and slow. Got your heart pumping there a little bit?
Even the smell, you can smell it, eh?
That's a V8. V8.
Wow.
Did you want to try it? You're all good to try it, bro. Like, give it a go, bro. I'm all good. You're not gonna crash it. I believe in you, bro.
So, bro.
Yeah, just go slow.
Go slow.
I'll let you out.